Hey, whoever's watching, almost finished my plane. Thought someone might be interested on YouTube, seeing none of my friends are interested. I've got to show off my work. I put a good 20 hours into it. It's all 5mm foam sheet. It's really easy to make. I just bought the motor and the prop spinner, everything from Hobby King. It's a 3648 Turnigy motor, 13x7 prop, I think. I made the cowling. I've made as much as I could. I just bought the bits that I had to off Hobby King. Wheels, the motor, the spinner, prop, canopy, hinges, those kind of things. The rest of it was just 5mm foam sheet and 10mm foam sheet and vinyl. I just vinyl wrapped it, which was a prick too. If you don't get it on nice, it doesn't want to peel off. You peel all the paper off and it looks like shit. So you got to get it in one hit. Yeah, got to have shark teeth. That's all just aluminium. 2.5mm aluminium. That's 2mm LE. It's all nice and light. Got all the decals from Hobby King as well. That's 3mm ply. I think I need to fill those bits in. They look a bit funny. Put some more decals, I think. Don't know what yet though. The top's a bit plain. It is now a Superkinetic 815. Better than the Hobby King one, I reckon. Hopefully. I've gone the black and the lime green underneath. Looks pretty cool. Kawasaki style, I think. Covers for the servos. You could leave them open, but I think that looks pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, the intakes. What else? I think the throws are a bit much. I've got to adjust that, so that all needs adjusting. Flaps. Flaps work beautiful. They go miles down. You only need half that. I might have to adjust that on the transmitter. What else? The bottom. Have a look at the bottom. If you can see, did some flames. It's hard to see. Tail looks cool, I think. Hard to see. Look nice flying overhead. And when I crash it, it won't be too nice. That's what you have to deal with. Yeah, that's my first build. Let's see what my second build's like. Cheers.